out. Getting used to quiet when the noise dies down. I can see the damage when I look around, but I'm still here breathing, so I'm here for now. If I could step outside my head and tell myself what I know now, find something you believe
Can you hear me, guys? How you doing? Let's close my reports here. You got something. That's my cat. Okay. Got 5 minutes left. I'm watching this here. I want to see loans, to be honest, today. Very bullish today. Still not looking for any types of shorts. I know ICT has been looking for shorts since the morning, but I'm looking for loans personally, so I'm gonna wait. I want to fix something here. Since I fixed my viruses, everything has been disconnected. Like all of my accounts has been disconnected. I think I deleted something regarding my passwords and something. So my phone is disconnected from TradingView. Everything is disconnected. You know, we'll work on it. ES and NQ is melting to the targets ICT mentioned, these lows. I'm still bullish here. I don't really care that we're going lower. What I'm gonna do here is just refine my dealing range. Use the original dealing range here. And I'm very bullish today. Just tap the dealing range here. Close below this CB. Fail to utilize this PPR. Perfect. I wanna see a bounce here from 931st presentation of yesterday. Pounds from it and form our model to buy into the highs. Let's see. GS here. We're just extending this hourly wick quadrants to the right. Yes, it's dumping all the way. Go low resistance liquidity run here as well, but I'm keeping an eye on this SMT that formed here and this low here. So what I want to see is NQ respect this with bodies closing above CE, ideally. And then we can see this potential run higher. Oops. Oh. Okay. My PC was bugged. And then we can see this potential run higher into this devil's mark and this relative equal highs up here. Trend line liquidity. Continue this run, ideal. Second. Okay, there's storage. Just making sure there's enough storage for us to record our trades. Okay, I really like this. Bodies respecting the upper quadrant of today's RTH gap. We got the early wick here as well. You can plot the 8th level and you'll see the 8th level going through this inversion here. Look at that. Can you see that? Let's do it, bro. Macro open. ES is all the way down here. It's a slower portion. SMT just took this low. ES just took this low, and it has relative equal lows here. What we want to see is ES take opening range low, and then we can frame this bullish setup. Or respecting the first presentation of yesterday. This will be a macro hyperability inversion here. There we go. We got the opening range low SMT. I want to see bodies remain above this first presentation. And you can see how we're bouncing off this endog as well. Let me pause music here. Let's focus on this trade. Let's check all of the time frames. So we got super clear row. Yeah. How's that? Order flow. Bullish. Wait, 50% there. 10, 15 minutes into this order block. I want to see order block CE here hold as well. Right there. And body is about that. 5 minutes. And base is still holding. It makes sense buying from the order block, but I'm gonna wait for this hyperability inversion. I think it's much safer entry for the true change in save delivery here. Could do something like that. This will be a beautiful breakaway gap here. If we form a gap, I think this will be a beautiful breakaway gap. I'm not gonna enter from the order block here, because entering from the order block is very risky. So I'm gonna wait for this setup to form this inversion, and then most likely use this breakaway gap. Okay, no breakaway gaps. Stop loss for people at the low. That's why I'm waiting for the inversion entry, because this order block entry is just okay. Just open this by mistake. I opened another recording software by mistake. Need to close this. Okay. Wait, let me double check on the stream because there's no one here today. Is the stream running? Wait, let me double check on the stream because there's no one here today. Yeah, my stream running. My mic has a lot of noise. You can see that. I'll try and fix it. Okay, hope you can hear me now. Let me test this new settings real quick. Okay, hope you can hear me now. Let me test this new settings real quick. Yeah, it's beautiful. Very nice. Maybe we can just increase this noise suppression a little bit more. I think you can hear me very nice now. Let me double check that as well while we wait. I don't think we'll get set up easy. Hope you can hear me now. Let me test this new settings real quick. Yeah, it's beautiful. Very nice. Maybe we can just increase this noise suppression a bit more. I think you can hear me very nice now. Let me double check that as well while we wait. Okay, the voice is clean and the voice is very clean now. And yeah, avoiding a losing setup here. Just waiting. This order block is not an entry here. You have to wait for this inversion. That's why I waited for and avoided this losing trade. Still have the opening range low SMT. I think you might play 6 sister here. Go back lower for it. Let's try to frame. Where Enki maybe wants to go. I still think we're going hard, that's the thing. I don't see any reason to go lower. Got a very strong closure below yesterday's first presentation and today's newly opening gap, and we're melting lower now. Just continuing lower. So I think NQ here will play the 6 sister and come back for these lows right here. These quadrants level or the RTH gap, I'm leaving them on here. We got a closure here below the RTH gap. I wanna see if they will have another closure here and send it lower. Let's try and get a read. I mean, there's this low resistance liquidity run NQ can go for. Down here. Down towards this low. But I wouldn't be engaging within this macro for sell opportunity. I'll be waiting, and then next macro we can probably take a nice short. So I will not force a trade here. I'm just gonna wait and let the market decide where it wants to go. And next macro, if it shows me that it's willing to go lower there. Okay, now it's going for the opening range low. Next macro, when it shows me it's willing to go there, I will actually take a sell there. Unless 11 opens high in the next minute and gives us a clean trade. Okay. Let's leave this dealing range now. Hourly very strong bearish closure, changing state of delivery after the sweep of the previous daily high and weekly high. We got a very strong change in state of delivery here. We got relative equal lows engineered now with opening range low. If we return into the first presentation gap from today, right here, and in premium, probably end dog as well, we can then frame a nice sell setup to follow this trend, and that will be the only sell setup I'm going for. Okay, never mind. Now we're just gonna wait patiently. Didn't give us our setup, man. I mean, ICT called it coming back to the lows, but I didn't see that personally, so it's all good. Let's delete this now. Let's fix our eyes here because order flow is shifting. Need to adjust with the market. And here is a low right above CE of this 4-hour wick. Low and low, low. Okay. We got a closure below RTH low here. This should push price lower and see willingness from the price to continue lower, not just another pullbacks and pullbacks and pullbacks like yesterday, where we had a clear bias but clear order flow, but price was just pulling back a lot. Today this read here was clean. Just gotta wait for our setup, man. You got engineer sell side once more. Even so, we're at the first presentation for value gap, but we got PM low right here, which is just we're falling short of inside this low resistance liquidity run. So I still think we will go lower here. This is not a reversal. We already invalidated these SMTs as well, so I think we'll still go lower. We're creating a lot of SMTs now, especially with this lunch low. But it's not a big deal for me, because order flow is very bearish now with this hourly closure. Below RTH gap as well. Going towards this lows here. Engineer sell side is gone. PM low is taken. Let's see if lunch low from yesterday is gonna be traded into as well. Looks like it. Yes, just bounce it right off aim low. Look at this here. Let's delete this for now. Look at this. They didn't sweep aim low of yesterday. Just tapped right up on top of it. So still think we'll continue lower. Might do it now. Same thing on NQ. Just a continuation lower again. Okay, we're just chilling here. Man, ICT made a great call. I'm looking at his post here. This call he did today was amazing. I was on the live streams. Man. It was a very nice call from him. He said these lows will be taken. I just couldn't see it incoming, to be honest. Okay, she's pushing lower. Okay, let's play some music, man.
Tell me, is it clear that I still wanna be? I see you denying when I know that I made it clear.
if body's close above this Wixie here, like right now, I might see price continue higher here. Have any problems waiting here? So good. So just this 10%. Just gonna wait here, guys. Okay, we're gonna wait 11:50. I know this is gonna take too long, but we're gonna wait. Yeah, I'm not gonna short here. Thank you for telling me as well, micro trader. I see the SMT. At the same time, I don't see a reason to short here right now. It's not following my model. So I'm gonna wait to see if they want to put this low as a protected low, utilizing this SMT we have with aim low from yesterday. This SMT here. I want to see if they will continue pumping this market higher, and us to take this, continue this low resistance liquidity run and take out this devil's mark along with swing high here with these highs. So that's what we want to see, or if they will actually make a reversal here, and then we can trade the continuation during 11:50 here. Okay, so this is the two plans going forward. It's either wait for longs or shorts, but either ways we're gonna wait, because I can't really just take a trade. Sorry, take a trade when it's breaking my model. It's unclear. Just gotta be disciplined as much as we can and wait our proper setup here. Oh, my chest is signed out. No way. What is it? My chest is signed out. No way, man. Man, fixing this, I like that move. Yeah, if you took that move, micro trader, man, that was amazing. But for me, like, it was against my order flow, because order flow shifted here when this hourly closed below these lows, making a change in state of delivery, while we sweat previous weekly high. Same thing with a 15-minute closure, 5-minute SIBI here, hourly SIBI, so hourly inversion. So I wanted to see if they will continue lower, but I see unwillingness from the price to do so. So I decided just to step away. But this bullish reversal here makes a lot of sense with the SMT right now. It's just a matter if they want to continue higher or not. Let's plot this SMT, guys. I mean, like, there's a wait for it to set up, not getting. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, thank you so much, bro. Yeah, that's what I do. Like, I don't try to gamble like trades here or here. I like to wait for the continuation moves during macro times. So this was out of macro time. Same thing with any move here. Look, if you try to short here, or I mean here at these highs, it was super risky, but here it's much better. And during the macro time, it's much better at 850 here. And you had these tagged lows right below you with SMT on the highs, you know, clean order flow bearish from this SIBI. And then you can take this continuation macro pretty much so easy here, right there. If there was no news at 10, I would have taken this trade. Same thing here. If we form this low and then push higher, and we confirm this is a protected low with SMT, we will follow through towards. We still have a lot of targets up. Like, we have this devil's mark, we have this swing high here, we have this low resistance liquidity run. Okay, so we have targets on both sides. Just gotta decide which low is protected or which high is protected. where did you want to pull the market, and we'll decide that based on the candle closures and order flow time as well. Let me sign in my chess account because it's signed up. After I fixed my PC, I think I messed up all of my accounts. I can't even log in on TradingView on my phone. It's messed up. Okay, come on. Not getting setting account. Okay, I just signed in. I'm gonna play a game of chess. If anybody wants to join, you can open a game together. Let's do a puzzle. Let's do that while we wait. Chess puzzle. Okay, I think I did it. Can you get can you get to a point where I cannot stop from promoting the pawn? Wait to move. Stop me from promoting my pawn. Well, here is very good. But right here is better. Okay. Yeah. Nice one. Why is this? Why is it so zoomed in like that? Okay. There is a way to end this with a checkmate. Way to move. What is it doing here? Okay, that was nice. Let's see. Next puzzle. Find a way to end the game with a checkmate. Like to move. His king is here, okay? We got a horse and a bishop stuck. Horse is stuck to the king. Got this stuck as well. Wow. This is it. I need to buy it, right? A few more puzzles. Yeah. Nice. Anybody wants to play chess, or should I just play an online game? These highs are short of end by the way, guys. Reading this as engineered by side here. Even so, it's coming from a first presentation today. But I don't like any highs short of endogs. I don't think anybody wants to play. Just began a 10-minute game here. Let's see. Hope it's not very hard, because I'm not in the best form. Not even the best chess player. Let's keep it later. Let's open this play here. Okay, now he's asking for my knight. Here. Yeah, I think I might need to go back. Yeah, I think I might need to go back here. It wasn't very nice pulling this move really quick here. Should have waited on it. Now he messed up my pawns. It's all good, I can fix it. Yeah, it's gonna push up this. Okay. Yeah. I don't know why I'm stunned. I can't even think today. There's something wrong with me. It's all good. I just know that there's something wrong with me. When I can't really play like that. Taking my time to see. There we go, these buy side are taken, okay? This buy side is taken. That's why I told you it's engineer buy side. Now we have this protected. No weak pawns over here. Can start doing something small. Should I do it now? Let's guess. It's okay. Sorry guys, I'm not the best player today. I don't think I'm in the best mood, so you can tell I'm taking a lot of time to think here. Yep, now I wanted to fix these pawns here. Take control of these mid squares while I'm protecting them here. Now I can push this to protect this pawn. There you go. He's gonna ask for this pawn. I'm gonna protect it easily. And this pawn is also protected. Now we have control over his squares here. Okay, he still wants this pawn, so he's gonna pressure this pawn. So I can do something smart here. Move my queen here. Then protect this pawn. Yeah. Now if he eats, I eat, but I'm still protecting this pawn. We're fighting over this middle here. I want to get my rook in action here. And then I can double pin his king. Okay. He's gonna ask for my queen while being protected by the horse. So I can force a fight here. Or I can sacrifice this bishop. To prevent any further movements. But that's not really smart. So I think going here. Okay, I got a very nice idea here. I'll go here. Oh wait, I can't. Oh my god, I told you guys I'm not in the best mood. Oh, it's not a very nice idea. Okay, that was a very bad blunder. Now we're losing the game, but let's try to look in. Let's eat him before he can eat us. Open the way to this rook here. Okay, no problems. Then can we try pushing this first? Take care of this pawn. I'll try and okay. So it's a blunder. Okay, a blunder for a blunder, so we're good. I mean, I lost my queen, man. That's a little bit. Market is melting. Or what? I want to see if this will stay as a protected low. As I said, we'll utilize this low as protected low. Sorry. What is that in my hair? I just saw something in my hair. Oh my god. Okay. Market's melting, man. It's perfect. So I can go ahead, take this free pawn. He'll take a pawn for a pawn. Yeah, I'm not scared of that. I can trade pawns if he wants. There you go, he just left this pawn once more. I can take another free pawn here, right? Or am I doing something stupid? I think it's a free pawn, right, guys? Is it a free pawn, guys? I think it is. It's the best move here. Best move. Because if I push my pawn here with the horse, so I need to have the rook protecting here, so I can push this pawn, and then if he pushes with his knight, I can easily eat with my rook here, and then I can take an extra free pawn here. Okay. Now I'm just pushing. He will eat. I will eat. It's okay. It would be very smart from him if he moves his king here first, though. Okay. Now he's asking for my bishop, so I played whole another play. Let me get a second of thought here. Can give him a check here. He will come closer to my pawn. I'll give him a check, then I can move my rook here, another check, and then he will move here, and I can pass my pawn. His knight, he will miss this move with the knight. Okay, there you go. Give him another check. He will move once more here. He can't move with the knight. Then I'll push my pawn. And then I can basically checkmate him here. Okay, we won the game, guys. There you go. I can checkmate him here. We win the game. Let's see if this works. If he doesn't go here, so. Wait, he can go here. We need to fix this. We didn't win the game yet. What's up? What's up, Shimani? How you doing, bro? How's it going, man? Okay. What is this move? What are you trying to do? Okay, so just notice that the king can go here. Let me think about it for a second, guys. I need to. The king can go here. Nice one, bro. Yeah, this week has been tough, man. What's the reason? Why are you taking it off, bro? Just wonder. Is it just a normal vacation or for a reason? Because I really don't know what's the right play here. I want to get this rook involved. My best move. But I think playing bishop. Guys, I got a brilliant move here on my mind. Okay. Yeah, it's all good, brother. Take your time off, man. Charts be draining a lot. Like, honestly, I can really agree with that. Breaks are indeed very important, so a break is amazing, man. Well done. A break is amazing indeed. Okay, it's gonna take my bishop now. My idea is invalid. You know, Shomami, when I took a break and I went on a vacation to this offshore place I went to, it was amazing, man. I'm not gonna just staying off shores for a while. Relaxed my mind a little bit there as well. Even getting busy with life stuff makes you come back to trading stronger when you're back. All good, brother. I mean, there's only... Yeah, of course. With trading, there will be a lot of stress. Time off is the best thing you can do, indeed. It's the best thing you can do. Best call, brother. I really agree with it. Trading can be so stressful and you just crash out and just kill all of your progress. I get stressed a lot as well because of life sometimes, and I make stupid mistakes while trading. That is really unnecessary. Like rookie mistakes. Just because I'm too focused, like, you know, every day I'm hitting the charts every day. Boom, I make a mistake. Okay, there's a checkmate incoming here. I need to keep this guy in check because he's gonna checkmate me here. I think I lost this game. Yeah, I think we're gonna lose this game. Bro, there's a way. I don't think there's a way to prevent this move. Yeah, I think we lost the game. I will try to fight till this here. Eat. Then I will just keep checking him. Check. Then I can take this. Okay. Yep, I did, Brian. I checked them. Okay, he's gonna pressure my rook now. If I sacrifice my rook here, would it make sense? Oh, there's nothing that makes sense here. Let's go this knight. Okay, now this knight is pinned, he can't move it. Oh, wait. No. Okay. Wait, what do you mean the first rook? Oh, you're correct, bro. I should have used the first rook so he can't eat it. Wait, this This is a very bad mistake on me. Oh, my bad, guys. Sorry. This is a very bad mistake. You're correct. Oh, I think I messed up everything here. Yeah, bro. GG's. Oh, that was on me. Yeah, you're correct. I should have used this rook. This first rook here would have been insane. So check, you move, then I can eat, and then I have my 2 rooks still. And I can do anything with this rook here. Oh, bro. Yeah. So check. You move. Yep. Now he can't do anything. Yeah, should have used my first rook, bro. We learn. Not learn. Okay, I'll go towards the toilet really quick, guys, and I'll be back, okay? Let me just fix him here. Just made myself a hot drink right here. It's not. It's parsley and let me double check. I think it was parsley and ginger or something. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Every time I forget the name of it, but I drink that to lose the water that's stuck in my body here. How's yes doing? Another SMT. Man, oh man, they're living this low short of this first presentation for really gap. It doesn't look like a protected low to me here. Order flow will confirm that. Yeah. Order flow is bearish. Sadly. We'll wait this 5 minutes and decide as well. Let's play a quick game. Let's play like a 3-minute game. Let's do that. Maybe you can lose quick so we can watch out. EPN, okay. Let's do that. Oh boy, yeah. There you go. Just a check. Nope. You can't. Okay. Yeah. Just what they try to do. Okay, I'll show my other end of the first SMT. Just give me a second. Okay, here's mine. Whoa, that was the best win. I'm joking. So this end is a previous day aim low, right there. Right here, bro. This low at 11:07 from yesterday. It has an SMT with today. And now we have another SMT. Yo, what's up, Daniel? How you doing, brother? I think one another games, this guy's gonna quit. Okay, 15-minute closure here that we waited for. I'm risking launching watch out. Oh, watch out, bro. Watch out. Please use risk management, bro. Yeah, just use proper risk management, bro. Don't try to over risk so you don't blow your account. But if you're following your system, I know you got it, man. No worries, Brian. The problem here with me, guys, for any longs is that this low is short of this first presentation for value gap. I know this might be like very tiny for you guys, but I want to see if we will trade back into that. Although it is a text, so, but I don't trust any longs here yet, especially with this 15-minute order flow, bearish. Same thing on the 5-minute reclaimed or bearish CB here because it's volume balance, never flipped it. So I want to see shorts continue lower towards these drone liquidities. Could be wrong, but let's wait and see. I think I'm in a chess game. Right? Why is everyone doing the same tactic, bro? Is it a YouTube video or something? That's crazy. And I get to this point and I don't know what's the best move here. Okay. Oh, he's asking for my rook. I didn't see that. Yeah, that's why they're doing this tactic, bro. That's crazy. Now we look this queen inside, but I can eat this pawn, get out. I got my horse protecting me here. Yeah, everybody's doing the same tactic over and over again. Like, it's just starting to annoy me, to be honest. And as I told you, I'm not in like the best form mentally, so don't mind my gameplay. It's not the best. I'm protecting this here. I look this queen here. If he eats, I eat. If he eats, I eat. If he eats, he's trying to free his queen, but no. Yeah, just trap this queen. Okay, now he's pressuring my king. Wants to use his again, right? I want to push this knight. Okay. Bro, this guy's trying to free his queen so bad. Okay, now he lost his queen. Up material. He's trying so bad to free his queen, like. Bro, I'm not letting it go, man. What do you think? Like, you're trying to attack me and then I'm gonna leave your queen? Okay, he resigned. So, why was it necessary to do this kind of traps? Stupid, man. I did a blunder. Yeah, I know when I left this rook. Circle%. Okay. This high is engineered as well. Low is engineered, high is engineered. We have a tiny SMT on the high here with the beer short of low. I'm down for shorts, to be honest. I'm really down for shorts. Got low resistance squid term being built up here. Watch this macro come back up high here. Take out this high. Then we will take this beautiful short here. No way, I was recording all of that time. Yeah. Oh, sorry, bro. Yeah, we will play after the macro. My chess name is Omar Ragai. It's actually my real name as well. It's funny. I should change that because people will be like stoking that, right? Man, I don't really care. Maybe when we hit 10 million subs, I will change it. So we get some privacy. Okay, I'm not shorting here. This is engineered by side. Check with Tam. Let's check gold here for Tamo. Tamo is in heavy gold shorts. Ooh, Tamo. Oh boy. Yeah, makes sense now. Sure, Brian, but I'll play Shumami first if he was still here. if he left, we will play together after this macro, okay? Just because Shumami asked first, so we'll play. But guys, I'm the worst form today. You literally win against me so quick. Okay, bro. Guys, do you like this camera setting more or the light setting better? Like, should I open the window? What do you think? Or is this setting good? Like, this lightning and everything. What do you think? Is it much better now than before? Oh my god, it's super hot. I don't know how it's still super hot like that. Guys, we're very bearish. But I'm waiting for a setup, okay? I'm waiting for this high to get taken and then I can take a short here.
Feel like we're falling away. Maybe I just need to feel nothing to make it easier to turn away and leave. Maybe we're fanning the flame. So why do I keep holding out my hand to get burned? I don't wanna clash anymore. I can hear the ghost in the walls. It's telling me to run away.
I'm gonna delete these SMTs now because they're against my order flow. I'm gonna rely on order flow here and follow this order flow that we're getting, which is bearish. I wanna check RTH gaps. What's below us? Still just a low resistance equator on. Oh my god, bro. Do you see that, guys? I remember there was something about not that big. We're getting a great retracement up here. which we want. Nice. Relative equal lows here. This short will be insane, guys. We like it. We planned the trade, we follow the plan. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, she's cooking, man. I'm not going short here, guys. We're still gonna wait for this high. Let's use this here. Let's remove that. Watch 12 open here. Opens high. Takes out that. This would be a beautiful sell opportunity. Watch for this 12 AM open here. It will be a beautiful sell opportunity here. So we got a devil's mark, we got relative equal lows. Man, yeah, that was the perfect scenario here. We got low resistance liquidity run as well. Good day, Longos. Thank you so much. Okay, now we tag this SIBI. First presentation. Now the market is allowed to go lower. Nice. Tap the end dog as well. Nice, 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 nice. We like that. We like that. We like that. We like that, guys. No worries here. Let's put this 50%. Let's reverse that. Okay, get ready for this risk. How big is this 40? Okay, let me do some calculations. That is okay. Let me double check here. Order flow support and idea. We got 2 minutes in this closure still. We got 30 seconds here. Yeah. Yep. Hourly inversion, hourly open high. Do this hourly wick as well. Let's grade that. Let's do quadrants extended. Let's do it. Get all of this out that way. Keep this locked here. I mean that you're correct. The NWOG is acting as support right now, but the order flow is bearish, so I'm anticipating that this NWOG would fail and we would flip it. Okay, that's what I'm anticipating in price. I can see what you're saying, but I'm anticipating it would fail to act as support. I'm getting ready to enter shorts here. Once we get a body closure here. What one is it like? We'll go break even at these lows here. Now the RTH gap should be used as a resistance on price, and you can see that we failed to close above 50% while we're rejecting from it after closing below the RTH gap. So I want to see continuation lower from here. Okay guys, we're about to get in this trade here. I'm gonna wait for this full closure here. Manipulation of macro opening price, hourly open high to the previous hourly wick as well. Got low resistance liquidity from below us, relative equal lows, and you got engineered sell side above first presentation gap. Strong reaction from premium and RTH gap as well. And utilize this resistance on price. Super clear draw, order flow supporting this idea. Daily range. It's just one thing. protected high here, most likely. Let's double check the 5 minute once more. Okay, closed within this SIBI, so we're still bearish technically. Oh, 1 second, guys. Made a mistake here. Opened another recording software. I need to remove that from my taskbar because every time I click it, it will do that. Okay. Tam, I didn't take a trade yet. I'm looking for a short here. Once we close below this inverter, I will take a short. 12 open high. Failed to create this breakaway gap here, which is signaling strength if we close inside this gap. But as we keep wicks here, we can use this body as our stop loss, utilizing this as a breakaway gap. Yeah, order block. But I don't want to see body closure inside this breakaway gap. Ideally, you want to see only wicks there. Okay, that's not ideal here, guys. We need to use that as our stop loss. It's a very tough call, I'm not gonna lie, guys. But this 12 open high is giving me a lot of confidence with this relative equal lows, engineered pre-macro, and this low above the first presentation. Makes a lot of sense with me. I don't want to be afraid. It's checking all of my checklists, so shouldn't be afraid here. About to get this inversion. About to enter this trade here. I'm in. Oh yes, second. Actually didn't close. I need to close above the inversion itself, but not below it with the volume balance. So I will get out this trade here. We'll get back in, but let's just wait this minute and see what happens. I'll keep it running here. We entered from this inversion without the volume balance. Want to see a closure below here. Did you want it to here? Yeah, SL is above the inversion. It's above the high for me, not just the inversion. I'm holding this trade here. Everything is aligned. I don't want to be afraid when taking my setup, so let's see how it plays out. Very nice. I'll take one off at 680. What's this closure, man? Okay. Very nice. Just add it on. Getting a drawdown here. Just waiting to see what it wants to do, and then we'll manage it accordingly. If it takes this low, I will trail my stop loss to the current high that we're forming inside this inversion. I just want to see that if it wants to take this low once more, this will be amazing, and we'll trail our stop loss here. Okay. Okay, there's same book map on no resting over there, but seeing more sell side order. Okay. I mean, I think that's good for us, remember? We want these sell side orders, man. Once we take this low, guys, from the 12.14, I will trail my stop loss to 12.18 high, okay? We will reduce risk much more, and we'll have a great opportunity to just sell. I think we're gonna have the similar days like yesterday. Oh, okay, volume is kicking in. Very nice. Once more, guys, once we take the 6.14 lower, we will tear our stop loss to the current high. Okay, I see a lot of volume coming in. Nice calls there, Shomami. Very nice call. Nice one, Shomami. You're grading bro, if you're gonna use this level 2 data, bro, that's insane. If you're top taking every trade, very proud of you, man. Just take your time forward testing it. Don't try to force it like into the market right away, you know? Just collect enough data and prove that it works, and then put it into live action. I think there's a lot of volume coming in lower as well, because we just proved the SMT that we formed with the 12 AM low. Once we break this low once more, 6.14, we will have a lot of volume coming in towards our engineered sell side liquidity around 690 there. Let's just wait and see if we break that low once more. Yeah, ICT is too subjective. Thank you, Tam. I hope it wins, bro. ICT is too subjective, I agree. But ICT, you can also create mechanical models with ICT concepts. That's what is very good about it for me. You know, I really like mechanical models. I don't like anything that includes feeling or like, you know, any random thinking. We really need new sellers to step in. There's a lot of order blow, but I need sellers. Yeah. We need this to work, man. I think we will be good. Don't worry. I really like this setup now, and I think it will play out. Like, I'm very positive it will. Not even kidding, bro. Okay, guys, I'm gonna trail my stop loss once we take the low at 6:14, at 12:14. There we go. Okay, I just trailed my stop loss up into this high. Trail the stop loss, okay? Entire order got filled. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, combining ICT with this data will make a lot of sense for you. 100%, bro. We got low resistance liquidity run. No SMT holding us back. We will drop hard, guys. Let's see that. I think volume will kick in. Following your order flow as well. It will kick in, man. Two-minute order block was the telling sign for me here, you guys, as well. I can't really show order blocks here on this current chart because it's not paid, but I was watching 2-minute on my other chart, and 2-minute order block basically confirmed bearish order flow is still in play. And when I saw this turnover, I was very confident in trailing my stop loss because of this 2-minute order block. We closed respecting the CE, failed to close above a means threshold of the order block. Sorry. Nice, nice, nice. We're going break even below 690. Very nice shorts. Mm. Straight. Nice, nice, nice volume coming in. I'm gonna hold a little bit more here because I've had a lot of confidence in this setup. Once we take the low at 690, I will trail my stop loss to break even, and I'm gonna hold this setup below aim low towards the 50s there. Immediate rebalance here in the 1 minute. To pump lower now. I found questions of the trade why you didn't take the initial version. Okay, I will answer this trade after I'm done because I can't move the chart I'm recording here, and I'm shorting on my second chart. So I will answer your question here in a second. I think we went over it, but I will break it down again in a second. I want to see this candle expand lower now or the next candle with this immediate rebalance here. This will show like clear weakness in the market, which is the market is in a hurry to reach lower, which is what we want. Yep, and as this immediate rebalance fails here right now, this means we are in a high resistance liquidity run if it's going to our target, so we need to watch out here. Okay. We got a new 15-minute closure and then immediate rebalance on the 15-minute as well, which could be a factor here. Same thing on the 5-minute. Got a small SIBI, tiny SIBI there. Overlapping with a wick. This is all of them could be a factor to go lower because you still don't have an SMT on the current low. Aside from the aim low SMT, of course, we spoke about prior, but it's against our order flow, so we removed it. Nice, nice demo. That's amazing. Hopefully it does, brother. Hopefully, inshallah. Just don't try to force it. If it does it, it does it. Don't try to force anything, bro. Let the market do its own thing. We're playing around too much. She's back at break even. Let's see if it wants to keep going lower. That was my break even level there. I told you at 690s and it never got hit. So we're still holding the trade with trailed stop loss in action. Maybe this trailed stop loss here could be very nice. All good, Shimani, all good. Yeah, all good, bro. Even the book map is not giving anything. I'm following my model here, so there's no worries even if this setup loses. I've managed it very well. Tried my best here. Still proud of myself. I think it is still possible that it could win. We have hard time frame still agreeing with us, order flow, which is my main component here. Oh, I think we're about to get stopped here with this volume. Took that high. Took a high here inside. Probe the SMT that we formed inside this inversion. We might get stopped here. There's a very high percentage we will. Okay. Very high chance we're getting stopped out here, guys. I'm gonna let it run. If it stops me out, it stops me out. I'm just gonna follow my system. Just went in premium of the new dealing range, so it could still continue lower and it could stop us out, so no worries. Very nice closure below EQ of this dealing range. I want to see continuation lower now. Thank you, Shani. Once we take 12.28 low, we will trail our stop loss once more to this high here at 12.35. This will be my trail stop loss, second one. Come on. Come on, NQ. Don't mess with us. Okay, very nice volume. I'm loving it. That's why I go of the hard time frame order flow, because you can never go wrong with that. Hard time frame is all you need. Don't get trapped with all of this lower time frame bullshit. Once we take the low, guys, I'm trailing my stop loss to the current high. Should be easy. Then we're going break even at 691. Do we take the low? Not yet. Okay. We got relative equal lows here now.
Order filled.
Premium array here. This SIPI should be utilized to send price lower now. Don't want to see price dig deep into this SIPI. We don't want to see any body closures inside or above the 25%. Nice. We're trailing our stop loss now to the current high. Thank you, Shimon. Thank you, brother. I'm gonna go break even below this low, guys. Once we hit 691, I'm going to break even. Once more relatively close here. Okay. Thank you so much, man. Thank you, brother. It was a tough one for sure. It's a very hard day. Mentally as well, I'm not in the best form, but I tried to follow my plan. Okay. I'm moving my stop loss to break even now, guys. Stop loss is at BE. We're holding it. I'm gonna take my first partials at this bodies here. Yep, I'm holding a lot of contracts lower. I'm gonna just take one contract off right now. Add the bodies.
Order filled.
Okay, we just secured the partial here, guys. Add these candle bodies, and I'm holding the rest till these relative equal lows here. Okay, okay, bro, I will. I'm gonna trail it. Yeah, I know it's gonna go lower, but I need to secure some profits on this trade, you know, because I've been in it so long. I'm not gonna exit fully at once. I'm just gonna take some partials here and there. So here's my partial. I'm still holding it. Nice one, macro trader. Nice one, brother. Amazing. Lots of buyers stepping in. Okay, makes sense. There's an SMT, guys, so make sure to also respecting this first presentation, failing to close below it, which is a key sign of reversal here with SMT. So make sure to take contracts off. I'm in with 4 contracts and I took one off, so right now we are in with 3 contracts still. I'm holding these 3 contracts. Feel free to exit the trade if you want to, because there's reversal signs, obviously, as I've been explaining. There's a changing state of delivery here out of this first presentation as well, with an SMT on the hard time frame. So watch out, guys. I might get stopped here, but I'm holding this trade. Not saying you should hold as well, but I'm gonna hold it because that's what I do. That's my model. That's where my data is. So just following my model and my data, and even if I get stopped out of break even, it's not a big deal for me. I'm even more proud of myself for respecting my model. Amazing, amazing macro trader. So proud, man. So happy for you. I will explain to you why the 1150 was a loser in a second. Just give me a second. Trying to pay attention here to this trade. Yeah, we got low resistance liquidity run higher. Relatively cool, man. Yep. This could reverse all the way on us, guys. Not even joking. I think we're cooked, Chumami. Otherwise, just gonna let it be. Hopefully we're not. Hopefully. I really hope though. Oops. kicking in. Yeah, I think we're cooked here, guys. I think we're getting stopped at break even. Just gonna let it play out. Not gonna kill the potential of this trade. It has an amazing potential. Wish it didn't. It wouldn't. Like, we're not stopped yet, but I wish it won't stop us at break even, of course. It's okay. I'm just gonna wait. Good melt here, guys. I'm just gonna wait. But we have a chance here. Still. Macro. Open. $12.50 macro. Oh man. Yeah, hopefully Shmami, I really wanted this win, to be honest. I want to get done with this evaluation account. I want to get on live account with this Lucid Pro firm. So I really hope this hits TP. If it hits full TP, I'll be funded on Lucid as well. So I'm waiting for that. But I'm managing it properly other ways. Not gonna force a trade just because I wanna pass an account or something. Took my partial where I intended to and where my data suggests. Moved to break even. Added to my trade. I did everything perfect. And it's just about it playing out now. I feel it incoming. I feel it. Okay, let's see. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Nice. Whoa. Just play chess. Yeah. Yeah, there's nothing I can do at this point. You're correct. I'm just watching the charts, trying to analyze it. Yeah, don't worry, bro. I'm relaxed, bro. There's nothing like stressing me out. I'm just not in the best mood today, and very tired from work. Like, there's nothing going on in my life, but like, it's just I'm very tired from work. My body is so exhausted. I'm working out as much as I can, and I'm coming back from work every day to trade, so that is killing my energy. Some days I feel like, it's just there's no much energy I can give. Today was one of these days, but we managed to pull through. That's all that matters. We still got engineer buy side here, engineer sell side here, guys. They left this low hanging. I think they'll come back for this low with volume. I want to see volume through this low here. Thank you so much, Tal. This partial here was very, very nice. It was insane. Okay. Do we get this volume below this low? Let's just wait. Let's take a screenshot here for Instagram story. Wait, let me do a cool pic. Okay. Oh. Can we get this on? Whoa, this is a very nice picture here. Okay, let's return to chat. $50 left to funded. Amazing, amazing. Time. Just don't like try to do something crazy just to get funded, you know? Don't try to add in or something, please. The good things happen to good people. Put in the work. Thank you so much. Trying my best, bro. Trying my best. There's 40 resting orders at 26650. 26650, which is, oh, okay. That's below aim low. Man, that's crazy. Maybe this is a signal, right? And this trade was a killer. Yeah, DL strong, amazing. Yeah, it's very nice. It's a brilliant trade here. Great that Shimami is on our side. Last time he was not on our side, we got stopped out. So long as sellers can keep coming in. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. I'll check something on Lucid dashboard. My consistency rule. I don't think I'll break it because I'm taking it very slow. There is 250. Okay. Yeah, it's all good. I just want to make sure I don't break my consistency rule with this trade, but it's all good. If this melts, we're safe. Because last time I did break my consistency rule, they actually moved my target by much up. It was crazy. I forgot that trade running. Forgot about consistency somehow. Because once we take these lows, you'll see a lot of speed coming in. You'll see a lot of speed. There's a lot of speed below these lows, guys. We're in a macro open low as well, so we gotta watch out for changing state of deliveries. I'll take another partial if we make a change in state of delivery after we sweep these lows. A bullish one. Watch for speed here, guys. We want to see bodies going above this week C. Like it's doing now. Because as I explained, we're in a macro open low with hard time from SMT on the lows, which is not ideal for our short. If you reclaim this first presentation, this could be a red flag. Very strong closure on Enki. Not ideal for the shorts at all. We're in premium here. Okay. Still go engineer sell side once more. Not looking great for the shorts once more. But we still got this engineered sell side, but we have an SMT there with a change in state of delivery on the 1 minute, and the middle time frames I checked, like the 2 minute, we got a change in state of delivery as well. So we might get a reversal against us here once more. But I'm just gonna be patient here and let it play out, because we still got this low right above aim low. Even so, there's an SMT, but if you always put liquidity as priority, this is engineered sell side. And if the market wants to go lower, I think we're going for this engineered sell side, and this buy on this macro would be invalid either ways. Yeah, I don't really care about this macro buys, because this buy is invalid either ways. I would never take this buy because this low is falling short of aim low. So that's engineered sell side, and I still think price will come back down here. There we go. Oh, volume is kicking in. Let's ride, guys. Let's ride. There's a volume. Okay. It's not on my target yet. We're holding this trade. We're holding. I'm not scared. I'm not scared of this volume. I expected this volume coming in, so it doesn't scare me, doesn't phase me. Holding to my target. Nothing is scaring us here in the market, guys. Thank you, micro traders. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shumami. I believe that I'm gonna pass this account in a second, guys. So okay.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, guys, let's go. Just passed my loose deval here. Closed full. Lunch low. Let's go, man. Whoa. We just passed this account. Great trade. Great trade, guys. Great trade. Let's get it. W's in the chat, guys, if you took that trade. Let's get it, man. Whoa, what trade. Yo, that was a killer trade. Oh my god. Let's go, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Shumami. Thank you, micro trader. Yo. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. That was a killer trade, guys. I can break it down right now for you once more. How we managed to catch this amazing trade. Thank you, Tam. This trade was very simple. Basically, it was a very anticipated trade after we saw how the price action is printing. So let's break it down for you guys quickly, because I really need to go to the toilet. I was holding myself back all the time. It's funny. Bro, what's the target on Lucid? Lucid is 26k, 20. Yeah, I got more than the target, so I don't even think it's a big deal. Like, I secured more than the target, so either ways, this trade basically, guys, was the following. I'm sorry I don't have my replay tool to replay that for you guys, but we can go on it manually. Okay, let's start from the hard time frame. Okay, let's start from the beginning of the hard time frame, where you could go wrong. First of all, on the daily, you can see that we have an SMT on the highs. We swept this previous weekly high, while on ES you failed to. Okay, that's clear, right, guys? I dropped down on the 4 hour. I was very bullish today. 4 hour didn't give me a hint other than that we were rejecting from this NWOG, or we're gonna flip this NWOG, close above, and then use it as resistance and continue in the all-time highs higher. But what I saw here was this closure important at 10 AM. 10 AM opened high, failed to continue higher after opening high and leaving this devil's mark. It actually closed below this low, making a change in state of delivery. This last bullish candle in this run, in this top out run for the previous weekly high, right here. This is previous week high. Okay, guys? So after we basically took out that, we have an SMT with previous week high. and we saw 10 a.m. making a change in state of delivery. I wanted to confirm that we are bearish. So what I did is I jumped on the lower time frames like I always do, and I jumped on the 15-minute. What we saw here is that we saw a gap, a SIB here on the 15-minute. I wanted to see bearish reaction from this gap so we can go on selling from this gap. Okay, so if we're going to take sells, where's the market going to go? I looked to the left and I saw this low resistance liquidity run. I saw this relative equal lows, which was my target. Basically, I looked to the left of me. What did we see? We saw relative equal lows, low resistance liquidity run, and a low. And all of these are session lows. PM low, low, lunch low, I believe, and AM low, okay? So session lows below us, as you can see, PM low here, AM low, and lunch low. Session lows are below us. We got low resistance liquidity run to the left. Now it's a matter of finding our model while the order flow is agreeing with us. In the beginning here, this 1150 short was invalid. MicroTrader was asking me why was it invalid. It was invalid because this high was short of this first presentation gap. Guys, I'm gonna go over and over it again. You should only take setups. Okay, give me a second. Yeah, Richard's a target. You should only take setups where your swing high, there's nothing left to do above it. You should always ask yourself this question: is there something left to do above my swing high, or is my swing high clear? So our swing high here was engineered sell side. So even so there was a potential that this trade was going to play out, we knew that there's a higher chance that this trade could come stop out these early sellers. Why are they early sellers? Because they're selling when this high is not safe. This high is not safe. This high is falling short of a first presentation gap. Okay? Believe it or not, that's what happened here, and that's what I called live. I called this 12 open here, if you go back in the stream. So that's how we avoided this loss. And then we waited for this inversion. We got this inversion. We got a closure below this volume imbalance as well, hidden one. We entered, put our stop loss above the swing high here. As we continue to progress through the trade, we trail our stop loss. What does that mean? So we made a low here, then we went up, made a high. Now, after you go lower and take this low, you don't want to see yourself going back up, taking out this high, because then you know that the order flow is shifting. They are looking for buy side instead of sell side. That's how I manage my trade. So basically, once we took out this low, I trailed my stop loss here, and then we formed another low here. So what do you think is going to happen after after this low? We got a retracement. So after we take out this low, I'm going to trail my stop loss here. Okay? And then we just keep following through. Now we reached almost 70% of our first TP. And we have a liquidity target that is engineered. We could potentially take that and reverse all the way up from it. So what we want to do, we want to protect our position. What do? After we take 1-to-1, we set our stop loss at break even. I take a partial here at these bodies. Okay? As I explained, these bodies will play as support. They will act as support. They could cause a reversal if we fail to close below this first presentation. And we saw that incoming, and we almost reversed to break even here. But because order flow was very strong on the hard time frame, all of these SMTs on the lows was invalid as well. Like, don't let these SMTs scare you because we got aim low SMT or we got any SMT on the low. It doesn't mean that we reverse 100%, because order flow is bearish. How am I confirming that the order flow is bearish? By checking the 15-minute and the 5-minute. Basically, guys, look at this, guys, on the 15-minute. What are you seeing? SIBI respected, bodies failing to close inside the SIBI. Then you saw this large wick where we entered. Look at it, failing to reach CE of this 15-minute. Bullish order flow, bullish order flow. Then I was checking the 5-minute. Order block being respected, order block being respected, you know. After we made a change in state here as well, order block was being respected. Order block means threshold here, failed to close above it. So I was aligning all of these confluences while in the trade to keep myself in the trade and not be scared. And we expected volume coming in our direction because we got a low resistance liquidity run here and we got clear targets. So that was it basically, guys. And that's how I avoided this first loss, initial one. And that's how we took this win. Yeah, alhamdulillah. We're blessed by God to be able to call price like that. It's not like I'm very intelligent or something. I'm just a man blessed by God, and alhamdulillah. I hope we keep killing it together, guys, and I'm able to help you in the future. Everyone here deserves to win. Chumami, Macro Trader, Brian, Tamu, all of you guys are killing it. You're all killers on the charts. Thank you so much for being here today. And if you enjoyed this stream, try to share it on your social media or something. That would really mean so much for me. Or on Twitter, whatever you want. I will post a video about it today and I will send it to you guys. But thank you so much for being here together. Thank you so much for being here today. And sorry we didn't play any chess games, but I'm very dead from work. We'll play chess tomorrow. Okay, guys? Thank you so much, Shomami. Thank you, Macro. Thank you, guys. Stay safe, brothers. And if you need anything, feel free to contact me anywhere. You know, you got my socials. Contact me anywhere you want. Okay? See you guys. Stay safe.